Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be texturing our little Monopoly house. So this one's extremely easy. Go ahead and select it, do edit, delete all by type, and then delete your history. And then let's grab a light, a sky dome light specifically, when you click on Arnold, and then click that object, hold down your right mouse button, and go down to Assign New Material. Here we're going to go ahead and change it to be like that deep green that Monopoly typically has. If you click 7, you can see how it kind of like reflects that light a bit. And then if you click Arnold and then render, you can see how it's looking here as well. So I think the green is very good. Actually, the reflective nature is pretty spot on for a Monopoly house too, because they're supposed to be made of plastic, so they reflect light. But yeah, so this guy is super easy to texture, as you guys can see. But if you have any questions about it, let me know. That's kind of all I have for this one. You can technically like turn up diffuse roughness if you want. You can turn on metalness a little bit to show those edges a little bit harder. That's kind of up to you. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So I'll see you guys next time for our next texturing tutorial. Bye guys!